going on, guys? We're going to do a short series on Windows commands. Because if you're an IT professional or just a IT geek in general, you should know your way around Windows environment using commands. The graphical user interface, or the GUI, is nice, but again, it's makes you look like more of a ninja if you can navigate just using commands. Plus, sometimes the Windows Explorer freezes up, or you have issues, or you can't find things in the UI, or you're dealing with different operating systems, things are located in different places. Knowing the commands is definitely a plus. So before we dive into specific commands, let's look at the command prompt. And to get to that, we're not going to use the UI because we're not a rookie. I'm going to use a keyboard shortcut, Windows key R to open a run dialog box, type in CMD, hit enter, that'll launch the command prompt. Okay, from here, let's customize this a little bit so we look a little more like an actual IT ninja here. First thing we'll do, you can change the size of the text because I'm getting old and going blind. So I'm going to jack mine up to 65. You can play around with this, see where you like it. Colors, change your screen text if you like. I mean, gray is kind of boring. I'm going to go with the matrix green here. And then you can adjust the opacity or the opacity of the screen. So this is kind of like, makes it transparent. You can see through it. So if you have other command prompts or other apps in the background, you'd be able to see those without closing or minimizing your command prompt. Kind of cool. So adjust this to your liking. If you go too far, you might not be able to see it. So I'm going to go somewhere right in the middle here. If we hit OK, it should adjust the window size automatically to compensate for those changes in the font size. If we hit CLS to clear the screen, all our text then becomes a new color. Another thing you can do, guys, is hit F11. If you want to go into full screen with command prompt, hit F11 again to go back to your window size. If you're done, you can hit exit. And then those changes should be retained if we hit Windows key R again, type in command, and there you see it. Window size, font size, and the text color is all retained. So this was a short nugget on command prompt. Like I said, we're going to do a short series on some basic Windows commands. And if you guys have questions on other commands you'd like to see, let me know. I'd like to make this at least a 10 video series where I give you guys some really good keyboard shortcuts and different commands to where you can navigate through the Windows environment using commands. Again, these are normally applicable across different operating systems in the Windows environment or in the Windows family. So you can jump on, someone's running an old XP box or someone's got Windows 11. You can crack open either the run dialog or a command prompt, and you can get to these different things quickly without having to look like a rookie. And, sometimes they move things around a control panel and things like that, or administrative tools. You'll have a one-liner to jump straight to those different dialog boxes or different utilities within the Windows environment. So follow me, guys, if you're not. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, because like I said, this will be a good little course that I'm going to run over the series of maybe 10 videos, maybe more. We'll see how it goes. And I think you'll have some valuable lessons here. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe. Until the next one. Take care.